just knowing something that is true is not enough to reach the right conclusion. You need to know all the things that are true and relevant. Because if you listen to the old propaganda experts like Edward Posner, who is basically the father of Soviet propaganda in the 80s and 90s, they talk about the fact that good propaganda starts from things that are true out of context, right? And so I'll give you an Israel-Gaza example. 35,000 people died so far. What does that tell you? Somebody might conclude that means Israel is targeting civilian.
Right.
Another person might conclude that, well, if 35,000 people were killed, and you look at the Israeli numbers, it looks like 16,000 of them were terrorists. That's a pretty low ratio. In fact, it's lower than the ratio has been when the US fought in Afghanistan or Iraq. So you will reach different conclusions based on whether you know one fact or two facts. In this simple example, right? And that's the simplest one I can come up with, just using official data from Hamas themselves for the total number of casualties and official data from Israel themselves for the total number of known Hamas combatants that they've killed, right? Two facts are better than one fact. Maybe three facts are better than two facts. Maybe four are better than three.
Right,
but
exactly.
The point is, even if you avoid all the lies, it still doesn't mean you understand what's going on. You need enough truth, not just some amount of it.